See, today we are going to learn a new topic, that is regarding water. So, can we survive without water in the world? No, we can't survive without water. Water is necessary for each and every activity we do, isn't it? So, see, all are okay now. Ritvika, good morning, Ritvika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Be ready with your books. Okay, so we'll continue the topic. Okay. See, so what are the main things we do with water? Daily we need as soon as we get up from bed, what we do? We go to washroom, isn't it? For that we need water. For brushing the teeth, we need water. So each and every activity for cooking, washing, drinking, everything, we need water. So now I am going to share a few pics regarding the uses of water. Why we use water in our daily lives. Mhm. Mhm. Zoom on it. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. I had some net issues. See now, see here, as soon as you get up, you go and brush your teeth. So water is used for brushing the teeth. Then it is used for washing the face. After brushing the teeth, you go on washing the face. Then after washing the face, you take bath. You take bath, isn't it? So for that also we need water. We know it for water for brushing, washing the face, taking bath. Then for drinking water, see, water is essential for our body. So we drink water. Then for watering plants. For water is also a living thing. So we need water. We need water for watering the plants. Plants need water to survive. It need water, sunlight and air for its survival. So we need water for. Then what else do we use water? For washing clothes, for cooking, for washing utensils, isn't it? So water is necessary for almost all the activities we do. So now see, do you know the shape of the earth? The shape of the earth is round, isn't it? The shape of the earth is round. So you see, in our earth, almost 3/4 of the we need water. Water is surrounded on the earth more. So we have a worksheet regarding this. When you do that worksheet, you can come to know how much water is included in our earth. So open worksheet number 2 in your workbook. Can you see this? All of you open your book. I'll give you 10 seconds.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Done? Okay, let your friends also open their worksheet. So what is that? Water is used for almost all the activities, for drinking, bathing, brushing, washing, cooking. Okay. So water is an essential part of our life. Now, did you all open the worksheet? Now see what is the shape of, see all of you mute yourself. I'll ask you questions later. Mokshit Yadav, mute yourself. So, you see what is the shape of the earth? It is round in shape? No. So now you see the sides, you can see the water, you can see more of earth is surrounded by water. This portion is fully with water. So this and the edges you can see few markings, no, that is all surrounded by land. So what is more here? Water is 3/4 of the earth is covered with water, and the rest of the things are covered with land. So later you can do. If you don't have color pencil, after the class you can do. See this corner portions now, which is marked, that you should color it either with green or brown because it represents land. Okay, you should color these portions with, all these portions with brown or green, any color, and the middle portion you should color it with blue, that is full water. This middle portion is fully with water. So which is more in earth? We have water is more in our planet earth. Okay, so do the worksheet later, you can color it later. So the corner portions and all you should color with green, and the middle one, that is full of water, so that should be colored with blue. Okay, blue. Then now I'll tell a story. This is regarding the topic EVS. Okay, EVS we learned about water, what are the uses of water, and we did a worksheet showing how much portion of our earth is covered with water. Okay, now we will go to literacy topic. In that we have a story. Listen to the story. It is about a hungry snail. See, can you see which animal is this? Snail. See, what is the title of the story? The Hungry Snail. Okay. Yeah. Then see on the first picture, one Sunday morning, a small snail popped out of an egg. What can you see in the picture? The snail is coming out of his egg. Okay. After that, what happened? Next day, it came out of the egg. No, he got, on Monday, he ate one orange, but he was still hungry. See, the snail was going on, feeling hungry, no? So on Monday, what did he get? He got one orange. And so he ate the orange, but still he could not satisfy his hunger. Then on Tuesday, what did he get? On Tuesday, he ate 2, what is that? Tomatoes. But still he was hungry. On Tuesday, what did he eat? He ate 2 tomatoes. But still he was hungry. Then Wednesday, what happened? Wednesday, he ate something else. What is that he ate on Wednesday? On Wednesday, he ate, what is that picture there? Buns. 3 buns. Can you see the buns? 3 buns. Then also he was hungry. What all he ate? Orange, tomato, buns. Even then he was hungry. On Thursday, what did he eat? He had 4 bananas. Oh, but still he was hungry. So on Thursday, he found 4 bananas. But even after eating that bananas, he was still hungry. Then on Friday,
he ate an apple.
No, on Friday he ate 5 apples. 5 apples. But still then he was very hungry. So what happened? What all he ate? On Monday he ate orange, Tuesday tomatoes, Wednesday buns, Thursday bananas, Friday apples. And on Sunday, see how he became, what is, excuse me, who is it? Anybody have any problem? Okay. On Sunday, see, previous Sunday he was born. By the next Sunday, what happened? After eating so many food, he became a big fat snail, isn't it? Big fat snail. So what did you see in this story? You saw the snail coming out of this shell. Please, Kiranya, mute yourself. Kiranya, mute yourself. Okay. So, see, Kiranya, did you follow the story? See, one Sunday, a snail
Yes, ma'am.
popped out of its egg. Okay, after coming out of the egg, he feels hungry, no? So on Monday, he ate one orange. Tuesday, he ate 2 tomatoes. Wednesday, he ate 3 buns. Thursday, he ate 4 bananas. Friday, he ate 5 apples. Because he was continuously hungry, so day by day, he increased his diet. Then what happened on Sunday? By the next week, what happened? He became a big fat snail. Okay, now I will unmute. I will tell I'll call out the name of a child and they should unmute and answer. You should think and answer. Okay, now we have listened to the story, no? So you should tell what was in the beginning of the story. What did you hear in the beginning of the story? Adya, what was in the beginning of the story? What did you see in the beginning of the story?
One snail come out of an egg.
Yeah, in the beginning of the story, what happened? The snail came out of its egg. Then Sana, in the middle of the story, what happened? Middle of
What
the story.
happened? It feels?
It feels all hungry, ma'am.
Yes, he felt hungry and he went on eating all the foods, whatever he got. Okay.
Fruit.
And end of the
Yes,
story,
ma'am.
what happened? Yashna, end of the story, what happened?
End of the story, what happened?
And after
After eating so many fruits, what happened to him? It became fat. Okay. He became fat. So what are the things that happened in the story? In the middle, it came out of the egg,
meat.
and in the so what happened in the story? In the beginning of the story, it came out of the shell. Can you see? And in the middle of the story, he ate all the fruits. And finally, in the end of the story, what happened? It grew very fat. Okay. So did you like the story? Yes. So this is what regarding literacy. Again, we'll introduce one diagraph. We have one diagraph. Diagraph means combining of 2 sounds, 2 letter sounds. You can get a 1 sound. That is, first, what is the sound of S? Isn't it? And H, it is sh. So we combined S and H. What diagraph comes? Sh. The sound comes. Sh. So I will share few words with that diagram. What is this? See here. S, sh, h. When we combine these 2 sounds, sh sound comes. Sh, up, shop. What is sh, up, shop? Okay. Then sh, ip, shape. Sh, ip, shape. Okay. Then shell. 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 Okay. Then shed. Shed. So what is the diagram we learned today? So what is the diagram we learned today? Sh. What will happen when you combine S and H together? Sh and her. The sound sh comes off. Okay, sh. So what are the words we learned? Sh for ship, sh for shed, sh for shell, and sh for shop. Okay. So now, understood? This is the diagram. This is sh is a diagraph. Okay. When you combine 2 letter sounds, you get a single sound. Okay. So now you open worksheet number 3. Worksheet number 3. Open page worksheet number. Okay. Now, did you open the page? Yes. Then see, what is the first picture seen here? What is this picture? Rose, isn't it? So, see, you can find the rose in the bottom. You can see in the bottom few words, isn't it? 5 words you can see in the bottom of the page. So, where is rose? This is rose. You should insert rose in the first line. The rose is red. That you can do later. Just listen here. Then what is the picture here? Lemon. So what can you see in this? Where is lemon? It is in the end. Cut the lemon. Then what is Sam eating here? What is this? Bun. So Sam eats a bun. You can find bun here. Okay. This is bun. Then I clean with a, what is the picture here? What is this? Mop. M-O-P. Mop is found here. Then last picture. I eat an, what is this? Apple. I eat an apple. So did you follow? See the picture and select the vocabulary words. See, you have learned about apple, bun, lemon, mop, everything. No CVC words you have learned mop. So seeing the picture, you match this. Take the letter and write in the fill the blanks. Okay. You follow? So you can fill the blanks there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, listen here. What are the diagram you learned now? Which diagram did you learn now, Arnav? Arnav, tell me. Arnav, which diagram did you learn? Sir and Sh makes which sound? Sh. Arnav, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. And tell what diagram did you learn? Sir and her. Which sound comes up from combining sir and her? Sh. Say sh. Arnav, you should answer in the class. Sh. Tell sh. What are the words we learned? Sh for shape, shop. Speak out. Shed and shell. So I will ask Bhavesh, say one word with diagram sh. Say one word. Okay. Nakshatra, another one. Shed. Kartikeya, say one word with sh. Shop. Vaibhav, one word with sh. Okay. Nitish. Nitish, tell one word with diagram sh. Harvesh is there. Subed, tell one word. Shell. Okay, Ritvika, tell one word with sh. Okay, Guru Devansh, tell one word with sh. Say Guru. Kiranya, tell one word with sh. Sh. Kiranya, unmute yourself and answer. Kiranya. Okay, Jashwita. Oh, okay, shop. Shell. Okay. Then Joe Achyut. Okay. Purvit. Okay, Purvit.
Yes,
Tell one word with sh.
yes, ma'am.
Harita, tell one word with sh. Harita. Rashid Yadav. Mokshit Yadav. Mokshit, unmute yourself. Manogna, tell one word with sh.
Shad.
Then Adya.
Shad.
Adya.
Shad.
Shop. Again, who is left? Harvesh. Harvesh, are you there? Tell one word. Oh, who is that? Sana. Okay.
Shed.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, okay. Again, who is left to ask?
Adya, ma'am.
Adya, tell Adya. Tell one word with sh. Okay.
Shell.
Okay, very good. Now we will learn literacy. Literacy is over, and we'll go with numeracy today. Okay. Moreover, in literacy today we are introducing a new sight word, that is many. M-A-N-Y. Many. What is the meaning of many?
More.
Okay, more. Yeah, many means my video.
More.
So what is the meaning of many? It is more. So in the coming classes, we will be learning about the sight words many in detail. Okay. Now we will go with numeracy. In numeracy, again, we have a worksheet regarding more or less. Okay. More ante? What is Mokshita? You want to answer? Mokshita Yadav, you want to answer?
Ma'am, this ma'am, or this ma'am.
Oh, I can't see a worksheet. Tell the number of that worksheet. Worksheet number? Worksheet number is it 2? 2 worksheet number is regarding literacy. Now numeracy, it is worksheet number 1. Open worksheet number 1. Worksheet number 1 regarding more or less topic. See, can you see here? More or less. Now you should count the number and write in that column there. Okay. Now see, count how many fishes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write 6 in that column there. Write 6 here. Okay. Then go to the next column. How many are there? 1, 2. You can do it later. You can do it later. Just listen now. 3, 4. Don't repeat. Mokshit Yadav, don't repeat. Mute yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. So here you have 6 fish and here you have 7 fish. You have to write 7. See, on the left side you have 6 and in the right side you have 7. Okay. So which is more, 6 or 7? 7, isn't it? So the crocodile mouth should come face the number 7. That's the right side. Again, here again, the left side. How many tortoises are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So write 9 here in that column. Again, go to the right side. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 6. So 4, 5, 6. So write 6 in the right side.
9.
So which is more, 9 or 6? 9. So you should write the face the crocodile mouth on the right side. That is the number 9. Again, see how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you have 6 crabs. How many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you have 5 here. So which is more, 6 or 5?
6, ma'am.
So you should face the crocodile's mouth in the towards the number 6. Okay. So this is the worksheet regarding more or less. So seeing the value of the number which is big, you have to face the crocodile mouth near facing to that number. Okay. Which is the bigger number, you should do the crocodile face there. So did you all follow this concept? More or less? Yes. So now we will go revise all the topics which we have learned today. Okay. Now just close your books. All of you close your book. Mokshit Yadav, close your books. All of you close your book and fold your hands. Hold your hands. All of you close your book. See now what is the concept we learned for EVS regarding what water. So we learned about this, what are the uses of water. We use water for brushing, washing, bathing, cleaning utensils, cooking, watering plants. So all living creatures needs water. Water is an essential part of our life. Okay. After water, we listened a story regarding the tortoise. No, snail, isn't it? Snail. So what happened in the beginning of the story? All of you be quiet. Mute yourself, mute yourself. So what? In the beginning of the story, you can see that snail coming out of the shell. In the middle of the story, you found that the snail was eating all the fruits because he was feeling very hungry. And at the end of the story, what happened? The snail, after eating so many fruits, he became a fat, big snail. Okay. Then after that, we learned the digraph sh. That is, when you combine the letter S, sounds of the letter S and H, it gives the new sound that is sh. So with the digraph sh, we learn words like shop, ship, shell, then shell, then you can tell any word, shed, shoes, shampoo. See, anybody can you say any word other than which word which I taught? You can say any word. Shawl, shirt, shirt, short. Okay. So after the class, you revise the sure words and write new words which you can get it. Okay, you get the words, what all words you can memorize so many words, and then you write in a book what are the sure words you can get and tell me in the evening. Okay. Other than these 4 words which I taught, write extra words after memorizing is it? After memorizing, you write new words in your book and tell me in the evening. Okay. After that, we learn the concept more or less, isn't it? So, how should you do the worksheet? You should take the value of the more number. That is, if it is 9 and 6, which is more? 9 has more value. So, you should draw the crocodile face showing the number 9. One more thing we learned, which is a new sight word we learned today. Anybody can unmute yourself and answer. Many. So this is the new sight word we learned. So did you all follow the concept?
Many.
Okay, by evening, write few words which have the blend digraph sh. Okay, write few words which you can get for the digraph sh in your notebook and tell me in the evening. Did you follow? Okay, at least 5 or 6 words you should memorize and you should write it. Okay, in your book.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you can write the name of your friends also, which begins with the letter sh. Okay, anybody is in this class who is having the letter sh? The beginning, no?
Water.
Okay. So, now shall we end the class? Shut. Okay, shut is also. Shirt, short, shorts, shirt, shoe, shell, shampoo. Everything begins with sharp. So you can, okay. Write few words which begins with the digraph sh in your notebook after the class. Okay. Then shall we end this class for now? Okay, then bye. Have a good day.
Bye, ma'am.
Unmute kar.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Start coloring the worksheet. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
மெதுவா சொல்லுடாமா. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.